Hey everyone, welcome back to The Profitly. Are you tired of the endless cycle of trading your time for money? Do you dream of a life where your finances work for you, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time on your passions? It might sound like a far-off dream, but it's more achievable than you think. It's called passive income, and today, we're going to break down the essential strategies that can help you, as a beginner, start building your own streams of revenue that flow in day and night. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich smart. So, if you're ready to unlock the door to financial freedom, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the golden rule of building wealth: diversification. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is incredibly true for your income. Relying solely on a single paycheck from your job puts you in a vulnerable position. What if that job disappears? Diversifying your income sources is your financial safety net. It means if one stream slows down, you have others to keep you afloat. Think of it like a table with multiple legs. The more legs it has, the sturdier it is. By building several passive income streams, you're not just increasing your earnings, you're creating a more resilient and secure financial future for yourself. It's the foundational step that makes everything else we'll discuss today so powerful. One of the most classic and accessible ways to start generating passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. So, what exactly are they? When you buy a share of a dividend-paying company, you own a tiny piece of that business. As the company earns profits, it often distributes a portion of those profits back to its shareholders. That payment is a dividend. It's like getting a regular paycheck just for being an owner. The beauty of this is that it's truly passive. You buy the stocks, and the dividend payments can be automatically deposited into your account. Many investors choose to reinvest these dividends to buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. This creates a powerful compounding effect that can significantly grow your wealth over the long term. It's a fantastic way to make your money start working for you. Now, let's shift from the stock market to the digital world. A hugely powerful strategy is creating and selling your own digital products. Think about a skill or knowledge you have. Are you great at graphic design, photography, writing, or even creating spreadsheets? You can package that expertise into a digital product. This could be an ebook, an online course, a set of design templates, stock photos, or even a piece of software. The magic of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. There's no inventory to manage and no shipping costs. Once your product is created and listed on a platform like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, it can generate revenue for years to come with minimal ongoing effort. It's a way to monetize your unique knowledge and turn it into a long-term revenue machine. Another fantastic digital strategy is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to get started with passive income because you do and even need your own product. Here's how it works. You promote other people's or companies' products. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You've seen this everywhere in blog posts, reviewing products, in the description of YouTube videos, or on social media. The key to success is to promote products you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience trusts your recommendation. You can incorporate affiliate links into a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a simple resources page on a website. Once that content is out there and getting traffic, those links can continue to earn you money indefinitely. It's a win-win. You provide valuable recommendations to your audience, and you get paid for it. Building on that, let's talk about creating your own platform. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel is a phenomenal long-term strategy. At first, it's a lot of work, but think of it as building an asset. You create content around a topic you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, gaming, personal finance, or gardening. As you build an audience and your traffic grows, you can monetize your platform in multiple ways. The most passive form is ad revenue. On YouTube, once you meet the requirements, you can run ads on your videos and earn money from the views. Similarly, on a blog, you can place ads through networks like Google AdSense. Your library of videos or articles becomes a collection of tiny digital employees, all working 24/7 to generate income for you. It takes time to build momentum, but the payoff can be a consistent and scalable stream of passive income. Let's switch gears back to more traditional investments with a modern twist: real estate. Owning rental properties has been a cornerstone of wealth creation for centuries. It provides a consistent stream of monthly cash flow from rent payments. While being a landlord can be hands-on, you can make it more passive by hiring a property management company to handle everything from finding tenants to dealing with repairs. They take a percentage of the rent, but in return you get your time back. Don't have a huge down payment for a house? You can look into real estate investment trusts or REITs. These are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. By buying shares in a REIT, you can invest in a diverse portfolio of properties and receive dividends, all without the hassle of being a landlord. It's like being a property mogul from your laptop. Another powerful digital avenue we touched on earlier is creating and selling digital products for ongoing revenue. Let's dive a bit deeper. The key here is scalability. Okay, unlike a service where you trade time for money, a digital product decouples your income from your time. Let's say you create a comprehensive online course on digital marketing. You invest the time up front to film the lessons and create the materials. Once it's launched, thousands of students can purchase and take that course simultaneously without you needing to be there. Your income potential isn't capped by the number of hours in your day. It applies to ebooks, software plugins, music, or art presets. You build it once, and it becomes a digital asset that can serve customers and generate revenue around the clock, creating a truly passive and scalable income stream. Let's explore a more modern finance-focused strategy, peer-to-peer or P2P lending. Think of it as being the bank. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club connect individuals who want to borrow money with people who are willing to lend it. As an investor, you can fund portions of various loans. The borrowers then make monthly payments with interest, and you receive your portion of those interest payments. What's great about P2P lending is that you can diversify your investment across many different loans with varying risk levels. This helps mitigate the risk of any single borrower defaulting. You choose your risk tolerance, invest your money, and the platform handles all the collections and payments. It's a hands-off way to earn a steady rate of return on your cash that often beats traditional savings accounts. Ultimately, the key to success with all of these strategies is to set clear goals and diligently monitor your progress. Passive income doesn't just happen by accident. You need a plan. Start by asking yourself, how much passive income do I want to generate per month? By when? Write it down. Then, choose one or two strategies from this video that resonate with you and start small. Track your earnings, even if it's just a few dollars at first. Seeing that number grow is incredibly motivating. Regularly review what's working and what's not. Is your blog post with affiliate links getting traffic? Are your dividend stocks performing as expected? Monitoring your strategies allows you to make smart adjustments, double down on what's successful, and prune what isn't. This proactive approach turns wishful thinking into a tangible financial reality. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, some upfront effort, and a commitment to learning. But every small step you take today is an investment in a freer, more flexible future. Start by choosing one path, educate yourself, and take that first action. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found these strategies inspiring and actionable. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content on building wealth and living a better life. Let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're most excited to try first. I read every comment and would love to hear from you. Till next time, keep building.